Wherever there is love, there is peace. Wherever there is peace, there is love. Babaji.
Welcome to the Kriya Yoga Masterclass, the #1 yoga community on SKOOL. Inside you'll get unlimited access to live weekly Kriya Yoga classes, soul talks live from a Thailand beach, live Kriya Yoga satsangs, bi-monthly full moon and new moon holy fires, 500 plus on-demand videos, and you get it all for only $200. One-time payment, lifetime access. Go to Kriya Yoga Masterclass and join the Kriya Yoga Masterclass today. Go to kriyayogamasterclass.com. Inside the Kriya Yoga shop, you'll discover 108 Raksha beads and Vedgari Moksha's divine hand-painted artwork on t-shirts, notebooks, tumblers, and canvases for Kali, Samadhi, Shiva and Shakti, Babaji on the fire, Lord Ganesha, the 7 chakras, the Sri Yantra, Enlightened Vedguru Dev, the Holy Yagna Fire, Shanmukhi Mudra. If this artwork represents your soul, visit kriyayogashop.com. What Babaji is saying in his very profound quote is, wherever there is love, there is peace. Wherever there is peace, there is love. So you should always cultivate, enhance your peace, which is called Shanti. You should always cultivate and enhance your love. So you should always be a nuclear power plant, radiating out, glowing in, and vibrating in peace. You should always be a nuclear power plant of unconditional peace, radiating out and glowing and vibrating in peace. So wherever there's love, there is peace. And wherever there is peace, there is love. So they come together like pieces of a puzzle fitting together. So always cultivate and enhance and uplift your consciousness in a state of Shanti, which is peace. And you should always cultivate and enhance unconditional love, because wherever there is love, there is peace. Wherever there is peace, there is love. Om Kriya Babaji Namo. If you would like to support, I invite you to go to kriyayogamasterclass.com, the #1 yoga community on SKOOL, where seekers from around the world learn the sacred science of Kriya Yoga, awakening peace, clarity, and higher consciousness. Visit kriyayogamasterclass.com and join the masterclass today. Go to kriyayogashop.com. Inside the Kriya Yoga shop, you'll discover 108 Raksha beads and Vedgari Moksha's divine hand-painted artwork on t-shirts, notebooks, tumblers, and canvases. If this artwork resonates with your soul, visit kriyayogashop.com. Become a YouTube channel member here. Click the YouTube related video here. Tap the subscribe, like, and hype buttons. Jai Babaji.